You talked me to sleep. Your toxic lullabies have mummified me in your words. Words I wish I'd never heard. Clap your hands and sing me a song, or lick my face like a slobbery dog. Wake me up, pull me out of the fog. I'm scared, mama, please flip the light switch on. I've been sleepwalking, sleep stumbling, sleep watching TV. I've been asleep at the wheel, but it's not dangerous at all. When you sleep, obeying the law. I don't wanna hurt those heads with the faces on them, the ones that are smiling are my friends. Stop tripping, they tell me. Oh yeah, that's easy to say. We're all hypocrites zipping off in different directions in outer space. Decorate the nursery, hang a shiny mobile over me. Paint the walls pink or blue, whatever you think that I'd like to wake up to. Lord, I'm helpless here in this crib, lying in the dark with a load in my diapers. I'm helpless here in this crib. Come on and show me how to open my eyelids. Steer me into the light. Crack those horizontal blinds, let in the sunshine. Oh, it burns when you say goodbye.